Good morning! Today we're going to be making scrambled egg hash brown cups for breakfast. For the scrambled egg hash brown cups, we're going to be needing one 20-ounce package of refrigerated Southwest style hash brown potatoes. They didn't have the Southwest style, so I'm just having the regular. 6 large eggs, 1/2 cup 2% milk, I'm doing whole, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon butter, 10 thick sliced bacon strips, cooked and crumbled. I'm using the fully cooked bacon, and 1 1/4 cup shredded cheddar Monterey Jack cheese divided. And I have just the Monterey Jack. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400. And then take a 12-count muffin tray and grease it. You want to take your hash browns and divide them among the 12 cups. And press them down on the bottom and along the side. Like that. I'll go ahead and finish that. All right, so all of these are made into like little cups. And you go ahead and put them in a 400-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until lightly golden brown. All right, so in the meantime, we'll go ahead and put our eggs in the bowl. And that was 6 eggs and 1/2 cup of milk and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then go ahead and whisk it. Go ahead and put your butter in a pan. And pour in your eggs and cook the eggs until there's no longer any liquid. All right, so the eggs are looking pretty good. I went ahead and added some black pepper. I can't have my eggs without pepper, even though it didn't call for that. Then you want to go ahead and dump in your bacon and 1/4 cup of the cheese and stir that in. All right, so here are the hash brown cups. They did not get brown in the middle. I'm thinking I might have, even though it said to use the whole 20-ounce bag, I'm thinking if I would have used less, they would have got a lot more crispy. But we will proceed. Go ahead and take our egg mix and put it in the cup. And I actually cooked those hash browns in the oven, called for 18 to 20 minutes, and I actually cooked them for about 26 minutes. And that's what they ended up looking like. They could be burnt on the bottom, I don't know, but they sure aren't brown anywhere except for the little tops that are sticking up. So if anybody has made these, you can let me know in the comments below what your secret is on how to get the cups brown. My guess is probably to use less hash browns. Then go ahead and take the remaining 1/2 cup of cheese and put on top. And I just went and got a little bit more cheese. If you like these cheesy, add as much cheese as you want. And then go ahead and stick them back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts. All right, so there they are, fresh out of the oven. We need to let them sit for 5 minutes before we take them out of the pan, and then we'll get it dished up. All right, so it did turn out a little bit better than I thought. It is brown around the sides. Okay, so here is our scrambled egg hash brown cups, and rounding out the meal is oat nut toast. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
I like that the hash browns are kind of crunchy, which is kind of the way I like them. So,
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.